Sometimes you need to collect video case stories from clients that want to remain anonymous. You've gotten amazing results, and this happens in almost every practice area. Over the years, I've collected tons of anonymous video case stories, not testimonials, and we're talking about exactly how to do that right now. So my name is Ian Garlic. If you haven't been watching the series, this is a whole series on how to create law firm video testimonials, actually video case stories that work, that get you results, that get you traffic, that increase the rankings of your website, that get you more leads from your website, and have clients walking through the door ready to work with you. And that's why it's so important to collect as many of your video case stories as possible. So how do we do this when someone wants to remain anonymous? You know, over the years, I've worked with hundreds of firms and interviewed hundreds, if not thousands of people. And we've created a lot of systems over the years to do this. And you know, their systems are there, but here's something to remember is you can ask people for their story and tell them they can remain anonymous. And it's even easier than ever. I think the best way to do this is through remote video case stories. You use Zoom and ask them for their story. And you tell them it's gonna remain anonymous. You can mask their voice. You don't even have to use their Zoom image. You can have them have their camera off and you just collect the audio. Now in these, it's more important than ever to really have an interview-based process, have a plan in place of what you want to ask and get that emotion in those moments out of the person. Because we're eliminating the video, we're just having voice and we want that voice to come across with emotion. And I'll tell you that when you do this, we've done it in criminal cases where they're very sensitive subjects, from sexual assaults to homicide charges that people, you know, obviously, even if they're innocent, they don't want their name out there. And we've done this in divorce cases, very sensitive divorce cases. So even in personal injury cases, sometimes they don't want retaliation. Employment law cases, they don't want retaliation. And there's sometimes that just people don't want their story out there, but they want to help your law firm. Plan to ask for these. Do it remotely and just add on top of it generalized B-roll, video of yourself, images of yourself, static text, dynamic text that moves across the screen, graphics, imagery. You can make the videos really cool looking, really great looking, and really interesting with just the person's voice and them remaining anonymous. Additionally, you can put into their facts and interviews with yourself so you can talk about moments in the case. And you can make it into a super interesting story. Once again, with a person remaining anonymous. We see this all the time on TV. You can do the same thing. And sometimes it's actually more interesting. There's that era of mystery in it. All you have to do is simply get in the habit of asking for it. Now, if you feel like you want this done for you by a professional, of course you can go to storycruise.com, just click get started. We will ask you a few questions and we'll get you in touch with the right professional to do that. You know, we have services that all you have to do is introduce us to the client and we take care of everything from there, and you can make amazing videos with a simple introduction. But if you want to do it yourself, just get in the habit of doing it yourself. Set that time, set that expectation, and do it, because this is the most important and powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. But you can and will make amazing stories with people that remain anonymous and make it easy for them and get yourself those amazing results. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't got into the entire course, click below and get into how to make video case stories that work for your law firm. And most importantly, if you just want it done for you, just go to storycruise.com and we will get it done for you.